duit YouTube, comes to talk to. Well, it's been a little bit of a while since I've actually made this vlog. I tried to make it in Cavan. I tried to make it coming home from Cavan. And then I was just kind of going, nuts to it, I'll make it when I make it. So, today, you join me on my way up to Dalkey Quarry. I'm going to go rock climbing, hence the ginormous bag on my back. I don't know why I never thought to put my rock climbing gear in this bag. But I did, and it fits, so might as well. So, I have a long hill to go up. That's the problem with Dalkey, it's full of hills. But other than that, work isn't going too badly. Kept busy, to say the least. I'm back in work tomorrow, till probably Wednesday or Thursday, I think. I'm back down to Dublin, and I don't know what I'm doing the following weekend. I have a feeling I have to work, actually, come to think of it. Could be wrong, I'll have to check my hours. Anyway, I will give you a little bit more of a talk when I get nearer the quarry. See you in a few. Duit I'm just going up the path now to get the last stretch, up to the last stretch of the quarry. The path called the Metals takes us up to Arbor Road, which is kind of one of the main entrance points for people to get into the quarry. You can also get in through the car park on that side. But anyway, just phoned my friends. They said they're up in the middle stage of the quarry, so they're probably setting up anchors and things like that. Looking forward to it. I had to get up early enough. I had to get up about 7:30 or so, but considering what time I get up for work, I had a very good lie-in. So it's now 5 to 10. Between one thing and another, I had to cycle into town to get the dart, because the dart from my station doesn't leave until about 10 to 9, which would have got me in far too late. So, all stocked, ready to go. Bit of lunch, loads of water, and lots of climbing gear. Everything I could possibly need. Oh, I love looking at the quarry. There we go. Can't see much because of all the bushes, but there she is. We'll be seeing plenty more of her anyway.
Okay, so let's look at that one. Okay, let's look at these here, right?
Duit YouTube, Constatu. So I didn't really get any climbing footage for you. Sorry. Got far too caught up with double checking my ropes and checking other people's ropes and talking and climbing and practicing to actually take any footage. I did take some panoramic footage of the quarry, which you will have seen. So yeah. As it turns out, I am in work in the morning, which means I'll have to get up very early. And then I think I'm in work till Wednesday, then I think I'm back in on the Sunday. Yeah, I am. And then I'm in work until Wednesday, I think. And then that's it. That's July's work rota complete, done, ended, dusted. And then it's into August. Tell you, it did not feel like a month has gone by already. It's really scary. Couple that with the good weather that we've been having, which is extremely strange. We're averaging about 20 degrees Celsius a day. Now, for some of you in America and other places of the world, that might sound a little chilly for us, we might as well be in the sun. It would be cooler. Hell, I believe, is only about a couple of degrees cooler than our country is at the moment. But the Met Éireann forecasters are saying that it will turn to more seasonal July regular weather. So showers and clouds. It was quite overcast today, but not so much that it stopped the sun and a little bit of heat getting through. So I'll be thankful if we get a couple of showers here and there. Being honest, we could do with it. The grass is dying, and it'd be nice just to get a little bit wet. So that's that. So I'm home. I figured out why I shouldn't have put all that weight into my bag. When the straps is starting to tear away. So I'll have to fix that at some stage. But I need a good proper haversack anyway. It'll be a much easier way to carry on my gear. But however. Anyway, gur maith agat agus slán fóill. I will probably make another vlog next week. I'll try and do a workplace vlog. Until then, I'll leave you with a picture of the cabin centre that I took this week. Around sunset, dusky time. Just because I thought it looked nice and it was a full moon-ish. I think it was a full moon. Anyway, gur míle maith agat agus slán fóill.